In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail display name, sender name. If you've ever sent an email and noticed the name that appears next to your address isn't quite right, this quick walkthrough will help you update it so it reflects exactly how you want to be seen, whether that's your full name, a preferred nickname, or a more professional version. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser. This process is easiest on a computer because you'll need access to Gmail's full settings. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. A small panel will appear, and from there, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Across the top, you'll see several tabs. Click the one labeled Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail keeps all the options related to how you send mail, including the name that shows to your recipients. Scroll to the section called Send Mail As. Find the email address you want to update in that list. To the right of it, click Edit Info. A pop-up will appear with your current sender name. In that window, you'll see an empty box where you can type the new name you want to use. Enter the exact name you want recipients to see. Just below, there are option bubbles. Make sure to select the bubble next to the new name you just typed. That tells Gmail to use your new entry instead of the existing one. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save Changes. That's it, your display name is updated. From now on, when you send emails from that address, your recipients will see the new name in their inbox. Keep in mind, this won't retroactively change the name on emails you've already sent, and if you have multiple addresses listed under Send Mail As, you'll need to edit each one separately if you want them all to match. A few quick tips as you choose your name. Use proper capitalization, keep it simple and recognizable, and avoid symbols or emojis that some mail apps might not display correctly. If you're adjusting your professional identity, using your full name can help with credibility and clarity. And if you don't see the option where expected, refresh your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Gmail account. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your sender name will present you exactly the way you want.